Leaky gut is a hot topic right now. But what exactly is it? There's a lot of misinformation out there. So in this video, I'm going to explain what it is, the 6 causes of it, 8 common symptoms that you might have if you have leaky gut, and then 7 foods and 2 supplements to help heal it. I'm a family physician with over 20 years of clinical experience. Let's talk about leaky gut. If you're new here, I've got a ton of other videos about health, nutrition, and much more. So subscribe if you want to be alerted about new videos. What is leaky gut? Drinking too much alcohol irritates the lining of your stomach and increases your risk of developing leaky gut. We're not talking just sugar, but all carbs, including starches like potatoes and bread and things like that. Eating too many carbs leads to a backup of undigested material in your colon. And in the colon, certain bacteria ferment these undigested carbs. This produces gas and causes bloating, distension of the colon, and an increase in the pressure inside the colon, which damages the barrier and can lead to leaky gut. That could include bloating, gas, indigestion, even irritable bowel disease, or symptoms of irritable bowel disease. You might also develop new food allergies or sensitivities, and so does drinking too much coffee. 4 or more cups of coffee per day can lead to leaky gut. These tight junctions hold the cells together and keep the barrier intact. Cortisol weakens these junctions, leading to leaky gut, and that includes stress from not sleeping enough, but also mental stress, emotional stress as well. The medical term for leaky gut is called increased intestinal permeability. Also, vitamin B12 deficiency anemia can happen because of leaky gut. You might only have 1 or 2. Also, not everyone who has these symptoms has leaky gut. These are just possible associations. I'm also going to mention 2 supplements that you can take to help heal leaky gut. These could be pesticides in your food, insecticides, cleaning chemicals, things that you breathe in at work. Even mold can lead to leaky gut by damaging the lining of your intestines. It also helps decrease inflammation. Eat half a cup of raw cabbage every day to help heal your gut. Some people will develop anxiety or even depression as a result of leaky gut. Glycine helps repair the lining of the stomach and strengthens the barrier function of the intestines. Celery contains 3 natural compounds that have been shown to improve gut health. Those compounds are coumaриc acid, apigenin. It also helps kill unfriendly bacteria in the gut. Eat half a cup of papaya every day to help heal your gut. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, has potent anti-inflammatory properties and powerful antioxidant properties. Both of these help decrease inflammation in the gut and prevent further damage to the gut lining. Zinc is a powerful anti-inflammatory mineral that helps heal the lining of the stomach and the intestines. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with someone you think it might help. I release new videos every week, and if you're a subscriber, I'll see you in the next one. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button right now, and I'll see you in the next one. It also improves the function of the immune cells in the gut. Take 30 milligrams of elemental zinc per day to help heal your gut. Use extra virgin olive oil to replace other cooking oils and use it in salad dressings. These help decrease inflammation in the gut and promote the growth of friendly bacteria in the gut. Please share it in the link down below. They also decrease the growth of unfriendly bacteria in the gut. Probiotics are live bacteria that you can ingest that will populate your intestines and help improve gut health. Be sure to get a probiotic that has at least 5 billion colony-forming units or more. Have 3 ounces of wild-caught salmon twice a week to improve your gut health. Eat 2 stalks of celery per day to improve your gut health. When you heat bone broth, it releases glycine and other amino acids that help heal the gut. Garlic contains allicin. Allicin is a sulfur compound that helps decrease inflammation in the gut and kills harmful bacteria in the gut. It also stimulates the growth of friendly bacteria in your gut. Eat 1 clove of garlic per day to improve your gut health. So drink some bone broth, especially if you're low in sodium. The intestines are where 70% of your immune system lives, and so this process of leaking gut starts with a breach of the intestinal barrier, but then it spreads to the rest of the body. Because of the immune reaction that happens as a result of the leaky gut, your intestines have a mucus layer and a single layer of cells that make up the barrier between your inside of your body and the outside world. When your gut has normal function, nothing gets through that barrier except for nutrients and some water. This straining can actually increase the pressure in your abdomen and cause the gut barrier to start leaking. But when you have leaky gut, small proteins, undigested food particles, bacteria, and even viruses get through that barrier and into the bloodstream. Once they're in the blood, your immune system sees them as a foreign invader and starts reacting against them. This triggers inflammation and the release of histamine. This can lead to many different symptoms, which we'll talk about in a moment. It's important to know that this all starts in the intestines. The first cause of leaky gut is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs. These are medications like ibuprofen, Aleve, naproxen, even aspirin can damage the lining of your stomach, leading to a leaky gut. If you've got chronic indigestion or heartburn, that also can lead to leaky gut. The next cause of leaky gut is chronic constipation. If you've got hard, dry stools that are difficult to pass, and you strain with your bowel movements, the next cause of leaky gut is drinking too much alcohol. Another cause of leaky gut is eating too many carbohydrates. Another cause of leaky gut is stress. Stress raises cortisol levels in the body, and cortisol weakens the tight junctions in the intestines. And lastly, toxins can lead to leaky gut. So those are the 6 causes of leaky gut. Here are 8 symptoms that you may have if you have leaky gut. No 1. Abdominal pain or discomfort. The next symptom of leaky gut is skin rashes or eczema, especially around the folds of the body where you have skin folds, like the armpits or the groin. You might get a rash. No. 3. You might have brain fog. You might find yourself having trouble concentrating. No. 5. You might notice you have joint pain, especially in your knees or your lower back. No. 6. You might have diarrhea. No. 7. You might have constipation. No. 8. You might develop anemia, a type of anemia called iron deficiency. Anemia can happen because of leaky gut. Now, not everyone who has leaky gut is going to have multiple symptoms. So now we're going to move on to the 7 foods that will help you heal leaky gut. First, food is bone broth. Bone broth has something called glycine. The next food is cabbage. Cabbage contains something called glutamine, which is an amino acid that helps heal the intestines and strengthen the intestinal barrier. Another vegetable that you need to eat every day is celery. Next, you need to eat more garlic. The next food is wild-caught salmon. Wild-caught salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids. Next is a fruit called papaya. Papaya contains papain. Papain is an enzyme that helps break down old scar tissue in the gut, and also undigested protein in the gut. The last food to improve gut health is extra virgin olive oil. As far as the 2 supplements that you can take to help heal leaky gut, the first is a probiotic. The second supplement is zinc. I've linked to all the studies that I mentioned in this video in the show notes below. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story.